Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys exactly how to unblock people on Instagram. So if you want to unblock people on Instagram because you blocked somebody, then I'll show you guys exactly how to unblock them in this video today. So first things first, head over to your Instagram app. You're just going to want to head over to your Instagram app, and once you open your Instagram app, it'll bring you to this home page right here. So I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like if you block somebody. So let me just go to a random account. Let me block this guy right here. I'll just block him, and once I block him, it'll just completely disappear. So as you can see, I've blocked him, and if I refresh, then his page and photos will be completely gone. So if you want to unblock somebody, if you still remember their username, you can search for their username. So let me search for that guy real quick. As you can see, it'll bring me to his page. To unblock him, you want to click on the three dots in the top right corner, and there will be an option to unblock. If you click on that unblock option, it'll show you all the things that it will do if you unblock them. And once you do that, it'll just unblock them, and you'll be able to see all their posts and everything like that again. So that is one way to unblock them if you remember their username. If you don't remember their username, what you want to do, you want to click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. It'll bring you to this page right here. From this page, you want to click on the three bars in the top right corner. Once you click on that, it'll bring up these options right here. And from here, you want to click on settings. Once you click on settings, it'll bring you to your settings page. And on your settings page, you want to look for the privacy option. Once you find the privacy option, you click on that, and it'll bring you to this page right here. On this page, you're going to want to scroll down until you see the option for blocked accounts. It should be in the connections subsection. Once you find it, you'll see everybody that you've ever blocked. And from here, you can just click on the unblock button right to the right of their name. And it'll ask you if you actually want to unblock them. You just click unblock, and it will unblock that person. As you can see, you can do this really fast. So if you have multiple people you want to unblock, then you can do it pretty quickly. But that is how you unblock somebody on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.